What's up? I Discovery here, back with another video, sort of like a summary video of some things that I covered. Let's get to it. The lakes, questions that we gotta ask ourselves about these lakes. Like I said, it was built millions of years ago, millions and millions of years ago, since Pangea. That's what was told to me. That it was built. It's been here that long. We gotta ask ourselves about the history that they telling us. 10,000 years, how many thousands of years they tell us. No, it's got to be a lie. It's got to be a lie. We got to ask ourselves, what did these people, my people, what kind of power did they possess? How no one knows about this. No one knew about this. So if you're having problems seeing this head, that's more. There's always this image that you can go to and it'll bring it right up. You seeing this. So we dealing with this right here. We gotta ask ourselves, how did they build this? The vulture lake that symbolizes Isis or a set. How you build a lake 3 miles long that's in the image of a vulture. See her in all her beauty with the vulture on her headdress. It's unbelievable. We find this in Mexico, and that shows her as she really is, a very dark black woman. Find depictions of her right here and right here with this symbol on her head, that's this lake right here that symbolizes Osiris or Asar. We go to the Osiris hieroglyphics page and pull up the images. Immediately you see this symbol that symbolizes Asar. Asar, a lot of times he's depicted as being green. They called him the green god and the black god, because I don't know why he was green. Green mean power, money. I don't know, but he's depicted in green with the little beard like I wear mine. So we got to ask ourselves a lot of questions about this area, and multitudes of areas that are located right in this vicinity of this great city. There's so many questions to this area. You had to be flying something to view this. What were they flying? Were they flying on the magic carpets? What kind of machines? We know they was flying something. Can't knock this nose off. Cannot knock this nose off. This nose, this nose is bigger than the Sphinx or larger than the Sphinx. Can't knock that nose off. Then with this area, we gotta, we got the eye. Concretes it all. The eye of Haru. It's like about a mile away from the lakes. What eye? What eye? This eye that's seen all over. how is it we got all of this in Mexico? Because Mexico was all over the world. Well, sorry. Egypt, Kemet was all over the world. It was a worldwide civilization in the Americas and Antarctica, Africa, Europe, worldwide. Pyramids in Asia. It's worldwide. How we get this here? How we get this here? And this city discovered by me, high discoverer. Actually, I'm gonna say they found me. I didn't find them. I don't know who. I don't know how to explain it, but I wasn't supposed to find this. I was found by them. You know why? I don't know, but there's so many things that's unexplainable about this. The language that's found. There's writings that shows up in the lakes in the head of Horus. I've done a video on all of this. This one right here was the very first one I found. What it says, we got to decipher all that, try to decipher a lot of that. Here's another one. It's just so many things. These are the few that I didn't feature on my video. A couple of them that I didn't feature on my video about the written language that was left also. It's going to show a few of them that I didn't show on that video, and people kind of had a problem with it. So I'm going to show a few of them. What I wanted to show. The one in the number 9. I was in the center. I wanted to show this one. Because I didn't show this one from the video about the language. It's just so many things that we need to try to ask ourselves about when it comes to this area. The hectagon city that was discovered by me was put in my head by Haru and them. Right on the border of Bolivia and Peru. They was built by Haru and them. We got hectagons, that it's about 2 miles of hectagons within length and like 1 mile within width with the width. As you can see, hectagons all over, all types of hexagons. The mathematics that had to be used to build something of this magnitude, these type of hectagons all over for about 2 miles. That's on the border of Peru and Bolivia. There's a lot of stuff going on in that area. Machu Picchu, the Nazca lines, and seeing everything from the air put me in the mind of the lines, the Nazca drawings. That we had a whole maze of stuff that's unexplained going on that people just try to explain away on some voodoo shit, or they were signaling their gods and all that type of bullshit. Excuse my language, but some crap going on out here. There's just some unbelievable stuff going on right here, and it just reminds me of the drawings, and it's not too far away. Well, you got the Nazca drawings. One of the drawings right here. Can I see this one? Let's go to another. Got the hummingbird right here. Well, it just show up like that. Like I said, it's a lot of weirdness going on in this area right here that's unexplained in the South American, Mexico. Yeah, as I was saying, it's a lot explaining that needs to be done. A lot of explaining had to be done in this Mexican, Yucatan, Central America, South America, America. It's a lot of stuff out here now, and I'm going to be bringing it to you in the future. I discover eventually the whole world gonna mention me.